Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to the channel. So today guys, I'm here at CIne Europa 22. It's a commemoration. It will be from October 3 to October 6, Cinema 1, Cebu, SM City Cebu. So I'm excited to watch guys, and this is a story behind family, ganon. Family na long distance relationship, and how, sabi ni Miss Divine, how they work out things kahit malayo sila. So I'm here to listen sa ambassador sa Spain, and excited, and I'm going to insert some clips.
This European Film Festival is not only taking place in Manila, but also in the rest of the Philippines, and Cebu is an important place, of course, very important, especially now. We're approaching the commemoration of the 500th anniversary of the first circumnavigation that, as you probably know, was sponsored 500 years ago by the Spanish Crown with a multinational expedition made of sailors from almost all European countries: Germans, French, Flemish, Polish, Greeks, of course Portuguese and Spanish. And that started 500 years ago in 1519, when this fleet of 5 ships left Spain, Sevilla, and they made the first circumnavigation of the history of mankind. They stopped they arrived to the Philippines, to Cebu, to Mactan more precisely, and here something important happened. That the commander of the expedition, Magellan, was killed by Lapu-Lapu, but Juan Sebastian Elcano took the lead of the expedition, and then he finished the circumnavigation 3 years later, arriving to Spain. So that was something that we think we have to commemorate, because that changed in a way the history of mankind, the shipping culture, and the knowledge of all peoples in the world. There was the first encounter through the Pacific with Asia. And it's true that also in that expedition there was a Filipino, which was Enrique Malaca. In fact, he did the first circumnavigation in 2 shots, but what's called Juan Sebastian Elcano, who made it in just 1 shot. So we think from Spain, I think European Union as well, that it's good to commemorate that part of human history. So that explains a little bit also why we think, in that case, Spain has to be present in that part of the Philippine country. Tonight we're showing a movie called Long Distance, a Spanish movie that was very awarded in Spain, and even though that doesn't have a direct connection with that great adventure, the idea of long distance, I think, makes sense. In Spanish, that movie is called 10,000 kilometers, which is precisely almost this exact distance between the Philippines and Spain. Even though the movie doesn't talk about the expedition, but doesn't talk about the distance between human beings. That's a movie that talks about human relations with long distance between them, the 2 main characters. So this is somehow an explanation of why we're here, supporting this European Film Festival, showing today Spanish movie. That's why Spanish ambassador posted in Philippines came to Cebu, but it won't be the first time. In Cebu we have a strong presence. We have an honorary consul. We have many companies working here. For instance, Acciona, which is a very good and well-known Spanish company, infrastructure. We're building the third bridge. So economy, culture, human relations are present in this part of the Philippines, which was the beginning of an encounter of two peoples, people of the Philippines 500 years ago, and Western European expedition financed by Spanish crown. Anyway, that's a little bit.
Magandang gabi sa mga Cebuano. Nandito ulit ang CIne Europa. Ngayon ay 19th year na dito sa Cebu. Pero first time na rin sa SM. So iniimbitahan ko kayong lahat na manood ng pelikula. 12 movies, 12 films from 12 member states. So hanggang October 6 kami. So pwede kayong manood anytime. Yung screening schedule makikita nyo sa Facebook. Ang pwede nyo napin CIne Europa PH or EU Delegation Philippines na Facebook. So, thank you.
So guys, CIne Europa 22 is having 12 films to be aired until October 6. So if you have the chance, guys, to visit SM City Cebu, you can visit here until October 6. Marami pa sila mga films. Yan. Kasama ko si Ronald.
Hi everyone from theficofeet.com.
Ganon.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Kalma lang kayo. Mimi,
SM City Cebu is a strong supporter of culture and the arts, and we welcome every opportunity to host film festivals such as this. Strengthen the cultural ties between the Philippines and the EU and the country of Norway. I would like to take this opportunity to commend the vision and unwavering commitment of the festival organizers for making this rich and unique cultural experience accessible to Cebuanos. And I'd like to extend the invitation to the EU to come to SM year after year for years to come. We have another venue in SM.
Guys, I'm finally home, so a little bit messy, and it's raining outside, and I'm happy that I'm back. Oh my God! So, hindi ko na-expect yun, guys, na yun ang mangyayari sa movie na yun. But then, it's a it's a Spanish movie. But, siguro, I would say na it's for adult. Kasi it's not good for mga... For me lang kung ako yung parade. It's not good for students. It's not good for basta. Maganda yun maybe for married couples, but for the rest, no, for me. And thank you so much. It's an eye-opener, but then, yeah. So that's it for the vlog for today, guys, and see you again tomorrow. Babush! By the way, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon in my next vlog. Sarayem!